Alright guys, we are out at Hyland Trails, Pulte Homes, Madina, 4-bedroom, 3-bath. Let's go take a look. Alright, open up into the hallway entry area. So immediately to my right, you've got 2 bedrooms. This is a full bath in between. And on the left, you've got utility. And then you've got another bedroom. Coming through into the living room space, opened up into kind of a wide open area with a kitchen, quartz countertops. Cabinets are pretty decent quality, soft close. You got some accent features here, the crown molding, things of that nature. The 42s in here. Standard microwave and, not standard, these are pretty decent quality. Microwave and oven. Large pantry area. So the living room area seems kind of big. They've got some speakers and stuff in here that could be an add-on. And then accent walls are definitely an extra. LVP flooring throughout most. Sliders here with a large patio that you could get screened in. And then back here is the bedroom. I'm thinking this is the owner's suite with some accent walls. Carpet in here. Then you've got 24 tile and quartz countertops. Similar cabinets as the kitchen. Large walk-in shower. Then a large closet. This is an Easley floor plan by Pulte Homes. Let's go take a look. This one's got 3-car garage. Nice accented door. To the right, you've got 2 bedrooms, or no, 1 bedroom and a bath in front. Nice upgrades on that bathroom, man. Marble floors and stuff. Walk into a dining room, and then to your right is an office. Continuing on from the dining room, nice large LVP floor, double or single tray in here with crown. The kitchen has quite a bit of upgrades in here as well. Your quartz countertops, added cabinetry, extra details here, actually pretty decent quality. Soft close, trim work, crown on that, and then of course a backsplash as well. Lazy Susan in here, they still do those. A large pantry over there as well. So back this direction, this is odd, you kind of get a little bit lost in some regard. So this is your drop zone, then your laundry, so that's going to be your garage, and then in here you've got another bedroom. So back in the living room area, on the right side is your owner suite. Come in here and you've got nice accent pieces, obviously some upgrades in here, not necessarily standard. Then in the bathroom, oh, that's interesting. So behind the door, you've got a nice big walk-in shower, 2 vanities, and then a big kind of double closet. That's interesting. That shower's kind of hidden. That's kind of cool. Alright. That's it for this one. Dreamfinder's model Edison 2. So the 2 is going to indicate it's got an upstairs bonus area. Let's go ahead and take a look. So the Edison 2 Start off with the entryway. You're going to have your office space right here. And it's going to open into your sort of a formal dining, living, and kitchen area. Quartz countertops in here. And fairly decently upgraded kitchen cabinet, soft close. For the most part, flat top. You've got your pot drawers down here as well. A little coffee bar. In this section, you're going to have the garage, laundry, and then you're going to have 2 bedrooms and a bath. Decent sized rooms downstairs, the Edison, and the bathroom in here is fairly decent as well. You got quartz countertops, tile. Flooring here is more of a luxury LVP wood look. On this side in the living room area, you've got full hidden sliders, so these open all the way up to your patio, which you have screened. Then you're going to open up into the owner suite. Quad bay windows are probably going to be a bit of an upgrade for this neighborhood. The bathroom, tub, shower. There's ways of different comboing this depending on if you do a custom, double vanities, and then your closet. Very large. Alright, let's go upstairs. They've got wood floors here. This is probably going to be an upgrade for this neighborhood. Probably going to be carpet. But you've got this big loft space with your closet, utility room, and then its home bathroom. So this technically is a bedroom. And that's the Edison 2. We're going to look at the Avalon model. So this is probably one of Dreamfinder's best models, most popular models. And Dreamfinders in this neighborhood, they're doing pretty decent basics. A lot of what you see in the model homes typically aren't with the regular homes, but anyway. So when you walk into the Avalon, you have this big open kitchen area. Most popular model because it literally allows you to have all this space. I've seen this model where this is more of a breakfast nook without the cabinets. So it's a pretty open floor plan, nice setup. Cabinets in here are pretty good quality. They're all soft close for the most part. Over here in the kitchen, you've got a microwave and an oven, flat top. The range goes up and out. And then with this one, I'm sure this is probably an upgrade, but we can check with them. But you've got the pot drawer and then farm sink stainless and trash as well. So we've got the wraparounds here, which is probably an upgrade. It's quartz countertops. All right, let's go into the master. The master, nice big open master. The quad window bay is probably an upgrade, but definitely a nice feature for sure. Then the master bath. You typically have the 2 sinks, quartz, and you still get some pretty decent cabinets in here. Not quite as much as the kitchen, but in here, obviously this is probably an upgrade. They probably have different ways of doing this with a shower or tub combo, but in this model, they've got this one as a big old huge double shower. And then a big walk-in closet. And that's pretty much it for the master. Again, back in this room, these sliders actually go open all the way up to your patio. So the slider's probably going to be a bit of an upgrade. So these are complete hideaways if you wanted to. And you can probably get that screened, and of course add in a fence and whatnot for your privacy entertainment space. And if we come over here to the left, your right, you'll have one other bedroom. Use it as an office or whatever you need, and then another bathroom as well. The Avalon 2 model is essentially the exact same thing, except there's a set of stairs. It's right here. It goes up to a loft space on the upstairs. That's the Avalon.